Hello YouTube, here with noise on the TV. But we have my Atari 2600 with Missile Command in it. I got a replacement controller from the guy on eBay. As you can see, it looks pretty much the same. Maybe it was repaired, I don't know. Feels a hell of a lot different though. So, let's give Missile Command a try, shall we? Okay. Let's see if I can move. I can move up, down, left, and right. Yep, this controller is working just fine. Of course, it's hard to play at Atari with one hand. Here's the all too familiar sound effect. Aw, doesn't that sound awesome? But yes, success. We have a working Atari controller. Aw, yeah.